Alright, I just got this coffee table off of Facebook Marketplace for free. And so we're gonna sand it down, clean it up, and try to flip it for some profit. I thought I was making good progress until I realized that's not the wood. This dust is just the finish. I'll be here all day. I don't have any paint strip or anything. So I think I'm just gonna paint the bottom black. All right, we got the legs buffed out. They're ready for paint. So now we're gonna start on the top.
Mass Mutual Solutions feature. Picks up Steve Venturi ahead of the trolley tracks.
Alright, I think I finally got it to a spot that I'm happy with. This edge was impossible, and I kind of took off some, so I'm gonna have to put some wood filler in, clean it up, and then it'll be ready to get restained. Alright, I think just with how the edges turned out, I am gonna end up staining it. But I have a nice early American stain right here. I think it will come out okay.